In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can turn off the hardware acceleration in Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button, click on the Settings icon. In the list of options on the left pane, click on System, click on Display. Scroll down and you'll find Graphics, click on that. Once you open Graphics, if you find right here the option, Change default graphics settings. Again, once you find the option change default graphics settings, click on that. Then you will find the option hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Then you just need to simply turn the button off. Okay, once you find change default graphics settings from here, click on that and turn off the button for hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.